Hello everyone. In this video, I advise you not to overwork yourself. Working on a game while stressed is like walking on quicksand. The more you struggle, try to figure things out, or try to figure this or that out, or try to do it all at once, the more stuck and frustrated you'll become. Relax and take a breather. There's no need to rush. Your mind, body, and game will thank you for taking some time off. You'll even find it easier to figure things out and create your game once you've calmed your mind and relaxed your body. Remember, creating a game is not a race. It is an experience, a journey. Enjoy it. If this video helps you, please subscribe to this channel and check out my trading cards game, Godwrath. The links will be in the description box below. Thanks. Bye.